Ongira chuo kaponi onge mino tiago casa Bangalore Rako Bangalore How are you, Prince? Ongiro Pondo ya Ongiro Pondo Sarah, how are you? Ongiro Maotoji Bangalore. How are you, Prince? Bangalore Kona Mr. Director Kona Bangalore yeah Baby Ongiro Rene Pondo I see Mama Campbell Kona Davina Morning vibe Kona yeah Pondo Prince Ngala Baba Prince Baba Morning Kona Joel Kazungu Wagayo tuona nago kaponi onge Allo Kona Freedom love Ongiro Casa Kona Valencia Capia Mutindi Harmony You know good morning Hello Prince of 21 Kona Ali Rambaba How are you? Rambaba yeah Ladybug Morning Ladybug I see Roy Kona Ali good morning Patricia Ladybug Baganyole Kona yeah Flamboy How are you Flamboy This is a morning vibe Pondo Baganyo Aliyah Yeah, this is a morning vibe Wamarita Yeah Good morning Wamarita Yeah Johnny Maululu Lady Bar Kona Yeah, this is is a morning vibe. Thank you so much, Prince Kata, for sharing the light. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is a morning vibe with Nyatiti. Lady by the vine. Pondo, Pondo. Which country are you from now? I'm from Kenya. Kenya, Kasongo Nation. Nyawgenya. Oyare, Nyawgenya, mamaye. Kopie. Lady Ba. Krapto. Ololo, Lady Ba. Hello. Where are you, Lady Ba? I see Nyawgenya. A Kenya Ratego. Yo. I see Japan. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kona, are you from? I'm from Kenya, my brother. I'm watching. Yeah, the instrument is a traditional morning vibe. Morning vibe with the tradition. Ogenya, Kenya, take on. Yeah. Lady Val is a lady by the name Nyawgenya. Hardworking women from Ugenya. Manufundi. Ogenya Chamuto. Yeah. Devosman. Okampo. Kona. Onani. Yeah, my name is Maka Mugenda. This is a morning vibe. Thank you so much. Nyawgenya. Oyaore. Nyawgenya. Morning, Nyawgenya. Gata, yeah, Joyzy, Prince Lady, Aya, Nyawgenya. Prince Kata, good morning. Kenya Ratego. Yeah, ever. Alworo Nyawgenya, Nyawgenya. Mano nyuolo Nyawgenya, Kenya Ratego mamali. Yo, Eva. Prince also the bar. Have you seen Kenya? Yeah, have you seen Kenya? Udakachana mam, Kenya. Keep going. Aya, guten Morgen. Aya, guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Aya, Aya, how is German? Yo, Kenya. Aluro, Kenya. Yo, Aya, Kenya, Neno, Sholo, Dana, Adnasa, Evolin. Yo, Adnasa, Morning will Adnasa. Have you seen Kenya? Kenya. Yeah, beautiful Kenya. Yeah, they are working hard, hard-working women from Kenya. Yeah, Lord. Alasa. Have you been in Kenya? Have you been in Kenya? Alasa, my brother. Assam. Assam, Penebuda. Oyaore. Morning, Alasa. Yo, Kenya. Chamtum, Kenya. Ay, Kenya. Yeah. How are you, Mr. Bigo? Miss Bigo, yeah, Mr. Bigo. Oh yeah, old mama. Yo, Kenya. Maro, Nyawano. Good morning, Nyawano, Mamale. Nyawano, good morning. Hello. Nyawano, good morning. Have you seen Kenya? Yeah. The lady from Kenya. Kenya. Yeah. Mama, oh yeah, good morning, Yawano. Just soon Puna, Yawano, Mama, yeah. Just soon Puna, Yawano, Mama, hello, yeah. A mother of ladies. Yawano mamale, oh yeah, joking. Yawano benebuda, Prisgata. Yawano benebuda. Thank you so much, Kenya. That's your song. Good morning, everyone watching. I see Sumaro. La. Maro, when I see Maro, I just remember Kisumu. You know, I stay in the coast right now, but when I see Maro, he there's a song he likes so much. The song Itera by Kisumu. Dongugero Kisumu. Ay, tera de Kisumu. Yeah. Ay, tera de Kisumu. nyawano mama. Itera de abakisumu. Yeah, Prince Kanta. Ay, itera de abakisumu. Kisumo bero, kisumo. Itera de abakisumu. Donaldo nyawano mama. Itera de abakisumu. Aya ati murare nyaugenya yodongugero kisumo. Yeah. Aya itera de abakisumo. Bill Ozevai. Aya itera de abakisumo. Kisumo bero, kisumo ya. Itera de abakisumo. Who you all send the vibe? I know tera vinyame. I do me tera de abakisumo. Nyawano hero kisumo ya. Itera de abakisumo. Yeah. Nyawano diga kisumo. Itera de abakisumo. No mena me do no awita. Itera de abakisumo. Tonyiri beyo manyata. Itera de abakisumo. Aya. Yeah. Aya timunare. Nyawano hero kisumo. Itera de abakisumo. Kisumo bero kisumo. Itera de abakisumo. Anadwaro kenda unge ngamatera. Anadwaro kenda unge ngamatera. Inido janala inido ala inido nyawano inido ngayona inido nyawenya inido ayaye kera de abakisumo. Yeah. Ayaye itera de abakisumo. Nyawano mama yawa itera de abakisumo. Yatumo benjo kisumo. Kisumo bero kisumo. Itera de abakisumo. No mena me tu nyawita. Itera de abakisumo. Kisumo bero kisumo. Itera de abakisumo. Anadwaro kenda unge ngamatera. Anadwaro kenda unge ngamatera. Thank you so much, Nyawan. Yeah, this is a respect for, Nyawan like that song, say Kisumo Ber Kisumo. She like, you say your daughter is married in Kisumu Dala, Nyawano. Hujaingia kazi Nyawano. Hujaingia kazi. Thank you so much. Sumak Nyawano. Nyawano, mimi siwezi nikakupinga bwana. Giti. Thank you so much. Just keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda for those who are watching. Yeah, this is a very special vibe. And now Edu Sonja. Oya bla. Yeah. Yeah, my compañía. Yeah. I'm old. I don't know they both. mama. Yeah. Edu soja, where's the soja? Rastaman also in the man. Oh no no, hi mama, oh no. Soja baba, have you seen Yawanu Suya? Rastaman never die. Yeah, Elizabeth. Oh no no, Elizabeth. Yeah, Rastaman also in the van. Edu soja, soja namba moja. Akundani, Nyauge, the polite also in the van. Jobless. Hello. Jobless also Nyawano. No, no, Minisela. Yeah. No, 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 Minisela. Nyawano. Yeah. I see Rastama. Rastama never die. Also in the vibe. We are here with Nyawano. Nyawano. Yeah, nilikuwa Nairobi, hello, Edu soja le, where is soja, nilikuwa Nairobi, hello, mama, Nyamano su, yeah, soja. Bye. I see Nyawano Akundani. Nikia Niku Baba Ni Vera Akundani. Hello. Never have you seen Nyawano? Nyawano, that's our mother. Almost Victor. Victor, Akunda, Wanda, Wanda Banga, Wanda, I see Wanda also the bad guy. Jimmy J. Jimmy J, Java. Western Coast also the bad. Morning Western. Yeah. Have you seen Yaugenya? Morning Western Coast. Nyawano kula ngoma asubuhi na mapema, mnakula ngoma, utakula ngoma. There. Gethea Kenya. Kulawa. Good morning, Gethea Risha. Kulawa. Yaugenya. Yeah. Yaugenya also in the vibe. Nyawano. Float. Rastaman also in the vibe. Yeah. Yeah, for those who join now, like, it's a morning vibe. Olo Otuera. Jessica. Mister. Yeah. Hello. I see Jessica. Rastaman also in the watch. Yeah. Green May. How are you? It's a morning vibe. Hakuna matata. Security tight. Yeah. Ilya Clinton also on the vibe. Yeah. Hello. Giddy giddy. How are you giddy giddy, my brother? Giddy giddy. I was adding the bundles, yeah. Remember, this is an old traditional, bro. I live along coastal area. Yo, yo, Simo Sandeva, Loni Baba, Loi, Mwanja Sandeva, Den Oe, Allo, Simon Sandeva, Kimana, Iyo, Mama Su, Suma, Mano Nyawano, Ano Nyawano Mama, yeah, Mulolo Penyakini, Benta, Mulolo Penyakini, Gulawa, Nicolas Ochi, yeah. My brother, I'm in coast Mombasa, salamu kutoka Kirinyaga. Mudoni, yeah, Roni, kutoka Kirinyaga, Brian. That's a greeting from Kirinyaga. Kumuero good, Garisama, Ronie. You are welcome in the vine. And remember, this is a traditional vine with the instrument called Nyatiti. Good, yeah. You are dancing, chatting, remember, we are here with the Sumas. Yeah, Nyawano number one. Nyawano number one. Roni Baba. Yeah, Roni also in the van. Kulango Maya. Kul awak. Kulango Maya. Kul Sami. I see some in the van. Hello. Yeah, everyone, you have just shake your hand. This is a morning. Divo. Nyawano. Yeah. Nyawano. Kulawa. You come to dance, Nyawan. Can you dance, Sherry? Nyawano. Uluron. Nyawano. That's mother old lady. Beautiful lady. Good. Nyau Kenya mama Kenya mama Kimwana. Yo. Mutua. Yeah. Nyau Kenya halalo. Kimwana dance. Yeah. Good. Ibrahim, I see down a picture. Russo, Ibrahim, yeah. Number one, Ibrahim Traore. Respect to that king. Kenya, I would like to be in Traore. Yeah. Fellow showing me, box me. It's hot cake. Kunyo. Yeah. Kunyo. again in here. Nyamaro, do no traure, do no traure. Oh no no, hi Baba, yeah. Ibrahim Traore, that's the king of Africa. That's the king of Africa. Somewhere. Oh no no, I see. Oh no no. Yeah, guys, keep on watching, keep on watching. I don't know what's it. It's hot cake. I don't understand you. Benson, keep on watching. Traore, my brother Isaac Traore, respect to. Yeah, we need leaders like Traore. That's soon. What can you say, Maro? Maro, you have to talk. You have to say something. We want leaders like Traore. Africa is our land. We need the freedom. Yeah. Yeah. We need to get a change. Yeah. Na 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 na. Benson, Ibrahim Isako. Kimwana. Na. Great work, my brother. Na. We need that freedom, my brother. Long time ago, my grandfather told me, Maka, there is no job in Africa. Yeah, that's the main reason we need people like Johnny. Hello, white collar job is for the rich. White collar job is for the rich. Hello, Wololo Ibrahim Baba. Yeah, Rodian. Na. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ibrahim Isako. Ulangoma. When color job is for the rich. The rich. There is no job in Africa. Yeah, Katarina. When you go to Europe, people are fighting for freedom. Isaac, oh, when you come to Kenya, people are fighting for freedom. Yeah, nyawano. When you travel to Australia, people are fighting for freedom. Even understand the language, I haven't. Yeah, let me tell you, Rodian, my brother. People are fighting for freedom. Ibrahim Isaac, Kolo. There is no job in Africa. Yeah, nyawan. Yeah, wololo nyawan mama. Economic activity in Africa. Yeah, Ichionari Morgan. It's corruption. It's corruption. It's bribery. Hello, Africa. We are one people. Don't lie. One people. One people. Yeah, Morgan. Oh yeah. We are one people. Everyone is fighting for better life. Yeah, for freedom, Ale, Gen Z, ah, you will get Gen Z, yeah. One people, one nation, one people, yeah. Forget about color, my brother. We are one, Mama. We are one. We are one. No discrimination, no tribalism, because we are one. Tomorrow, yeah, one people, yeah, Sammy, one people. So we are one, we are one. Someone can. You can all laugh, you can all laugh, you can all laugh. Nico, nyawano kulangoma, yeah, bona, yawa, salo, one nation, boni, one people, one tribe, hey, yeah, Kadai, young people are hustling with a degree, with a master's, some people with a PhD. White collar job is for the rich. Yeah, that's one. One people, one nation, guys. We are one. Doesn't matter color. We are one people, so we have to love one another. Yeah, Daru. Thank you so much. Tap on the screen, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. Alexi, Nyatiti. Yeah, guys, if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. My name is Maka Mugenda. Nyawano. Joshua, Alexios and Divine, is a morning vibe. Fabri, Probaya, yeah. Krishna, yeah. Hello, bona unalala bado bana, Kembe Master, Yenje, Fitting 2022, hero, thank you so much. Hello, Beshma. Oh, Yarodian, Keina, Rich, Keina, Rich, Manoto Mane, I see, Yawano, sir, and I can Rich, yeah, Arakilna pesa. Let's continue. Nyawano, you want stretch right now. temple. Alexios on the vine. Ahora, manahora, banubiende, yeah, banubiende, haha, nyawano, imba kwa Kiswahili, zubia, unyolore otieno, she was born late in the night, yeah, vayo, dubis, I have already get you, my brother. Yeah. I wanna went to school. I wanna went to the city. I wanna went to Nairobi. I want she's a university. Yeah. Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Ado, nyawano, suma, chela, de, anachukua, anaweka, leta Kiswahili Omera, I'm a Luopian. How can I speak Kiswahili? I'm a Luopian, my brother. That abomination, Masha. Yeah. Dubi, relax like now. Shadow dancing. Gatelo my band. Shadow dancing. Yeah. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? And there, are you jumping? Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you dancing? Yeah! Yeah! Kisumu beno mena. Oh no no. Yeah guys, thank you so much. My name is Maka Muganda. For those who have already joined now, my name is Maka. I do traditional vibe. These are traditional instrument from Luo. Yeah, sikujua if this item bado takes. Dennis, the item is here, bwana. The item is here. Denny. Igona zambe. No magie. Yeah. Deno. I see Deno in the van. Big greeting to Nyawano mama, yeah, Angal number one, yeah, Nyawano mama. Have you seen Nyawano, Suma, yeah, when you go, I see Kairitu you, Angie, Sajuma Baba, Ulangoma, yeah, Usijali, Clara, Yellow, Yawano Mama, Yawgenya also the van. Go papa, hello, Ukita Jamba, I'll say to Nyawano, we know Nalo, we know Tell me, Winona. Daddy Queen also in the van. I'm dehydrating, guys. Keep on watching then. Nyawano, today I'm here with you. Nyawano. No, Blue Boy comedy. Yeah. Yeah. Umeshindwa bro. I'm a Muslim. Umeshinda bro. I am a Muslim. Wow. Thank you so much, my brother. Deno, thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother Deno. Am I here? I see favor. Yeah, this go to young men who are still hustle. Shadow is called Nyatiti. Deno Muturi Magia Dennis. Yeah, Sumak, you have to pray for your son and your daughters. Son of the Most High, for the collection. Yeah, this goes to mothers, pretty, mighty. Ever, this goes to mother. Yeah, mother and son or daughter. Yeah. Oh, mama, oh, mama, mother, you have to pray to your son. Oh, mother, yeah, hello. Oh, father, pray to your son. Oh, mother, pray to your son. Yeah, counting. Oh, Nyawano, pray to your daughters. Hello. Oh, mother, pray to your daughter. Hello, yeah. Oh, mother, yeah. Oh, mother, yeah. Common sense, man in the mirror. Oh, mother, wanaho yuko salama. That's what I say to my mother. Yeah. Wanaho yuko salama. Jerusalem, I see common sense. Hello. Wanaho yuko salama. Yeah. Bado. Yeah. Kwa kweli sijaekwa na mwanamke. Hello. Nyawano. As a young man, you have to work hard. Common sense. Hello. We need some common senses. You know that? Yeah. Oh, Yahweh. Oh, Yahweh. Oh, Yahweh. Oh, Yahweh. Hello. Oh, Yahweh. Nyawano. Yeah. Common senses. Bonita. Jujulele. Now get your mama. Now get yeah. Common senses. Common senses. Nyawano mama. Yeah. Jimmy, pray to each other. Yeah, you have to pray for one another. Yeah, nothing than prayer, nothing than prayer. Common senses, nyawano mama ye, nyawano mama ye, nyawano yeah, yeah. As a young man, you have to use your senses. Ha ha. Yeah. Nyawano, nyawano, nyawano. As a young man, you have to use your common senses, my brother. Common senses. You will come. Yeah, you will come. Believe in God. Yeah. Common senses. Common senses. Yeah. Prayer, oh prayer. Prayer, oh prayer. Prayer, oh prayer. Hello. At the end. Happy and nobody. Yeah, nyawano. Fear nobody thank God. You have to fear God. Yeah, we fear God. Common senses. As a young man. Oh mama niombe. Nyawano tuombe. We need your blessings. Hello, yeah. You are the source of blessings. Our parents. Aye, Erika. Erika dancing. Now when you're dancing. Yeah, come on. Atieno ya. Atieno. Big. Itae. Big. Itae. Big. Eric. Yo. Simone. Kenya. Kasongo Nation. Hello. Hello. Yes, Baba. Ida. Nyawan. Osu mama. Yeah. Praying for one another because we are one. Praying for one another. Hey. Mwanao yuko salama. Mimi napambana. Wewe napambana. Hello. Aha. Kazungu mwana mama. Kazungu yeah. Mobimba, zabibu. Kazungu, yeah. Kazungu, yeah. Possession. Hello. We need to traore. We need to traore. You know right now, free education in Burkina Faso. That's a very great thing. Yeah. Hello. Good morning, Arum. We need to traore. We are tired of Kasongo. We are tired of Kasongo Nation, guys. Suma. Yeah. Some soldiers, they are not good, but Traore big trying. Yeah. We need job. Yeah. We need job. We need industrialization. Hello. We need business. Ricky. We need businesses. We need. Yeah. We are tired of fake promises. Bye-bye. Mama Bog, hello, Mama Bog, Jama wa boda, ati Genzi, are you getting the vibe? Oh Baba, yeah, pray to one another, pray to one another, pray to one another, pray, Hello. We are tired of fake promises from our government. Yeah. Fake promises like Kasongo. Hello. I pray for avoid with politics in your vibe and content. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sumak. Asante sana. Erokamano. Erokamano. Yeah. Emma Olsen Divine. I love from Angel. You are international. Thank you so much. Emma. Jaber Nyaro Juan. Sama. Peter Ochieng. Thank you so much, Sue. Thank you so much. We learn from our mistakes. Thank you so much, Mama. That's the main reason you are there, Mama. Hey, yeah, too. Let me check what guys. Keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. Thank you so much, guys. From Erika from Lagos, Los Angeles. Shadow. Honey. I see Erika. And my respected mother. My dear. Lisa moja. Urban closet. Yeah, just saying. Simon Chico. I see Rising Star. Dr. Mkomboy. Igwe Kanibi. Chico. Omuchero. Ali Olsen Divine. Generali. Ali Olsen Divine. Maro. Nyawano. The big Nyawano. Arabia. Hello. Yeah, Catherine Mumbo. Katia. Yeah. Telling Zomo Baba. Sunshine. Yamatai. Lord Shanti. Kulawaya. Hello. I see Sean. Katerina. Yeah? Where are you, Katerina? Ungana to mujana ya kwarumiro. Sumamae. Maxum. Have you seen the Katia? John. Have you seen the Nelly? Catherine. Yeah, I do dance. Katrina. Nico Yundo Baba. Yeah, tomorrow man. Yeah. Look at it. Beautiful lady like Kathy there on the vibe. And their leader. Ah. Yeah, sent by Obongo Were. Mama. Yawa Yema. Nugati. Ololo Gati. Yakoranda. Yakoranda Budaga. Hello. Yeah. Kati. Omo Victor. Kati. Ale. Very also in the vibe. Nelly. Omo Quite. Dancing. Omo Victor. You are welcome in the vibe. I wish I see your mother Catherine. What now, Baba? Auntie Mother. Yeah, Judy. I wish I see your mother Cathy. Yeah, Cathy Mama. Yeah, Cathy Mama. Yeah, drag them. Yeah, on the quiet. Stand up. May I ask a question? Go on. Guys, I like people who ask a question. I like question and correction. If you want to grow. Winona, I'm waiting for your question. By the time I'm waiting for your question, there's my friend Omondi. Nicole also the vine. Yeah, my friend of morning. Tommy, I see Catherine also the vine. We know I'm waiting your question. Also, Nyawano, you can ask a question. How long have you been on the song Asha Ululu? Aisha Ululu. Okay, yeah. Let me answer Winona, guys. I'm really sorry for stopping. Winona, I start singing while in primary school. That means right now I have playing this instrument around more than 10 years. I've done it for 10 years. Yeah. Aisha Wololo. Aisha is just a friend from Asha. Asha Wololo. Yeah, Wololo. Wololo, that means is something you see. It's something like you see someone is very pretty and say, wow, something. Yeah. So Asha Wololo. Finona Wololo. Marco Wololo. Otieno! Let's continue the vibe, guys. My Omosh Victor. Winona, I think I have already answered your question. Robin Millionaire. Omondi Babai. Victor Moni. Well, yeah, complaining. Someone complimenting, yeah, something like that. No, me don't love mama. Yeah, Omondi, where I so Mondi, Mondi Jadala. Yeah, we know I give him some joy. Yeah. Think that Baba, I see African. Sina, yeah, Omoni Baba. We don't see me, Yogo. Omoni told Makamuganda you have to sing for big people. What you mind like, yeah? So much. Catherine, Mumbi Mama, yeah, I see. Ale, Ale, Bravin, we gonna zambe, yeah, Ijadis, yeah, Omundi Baba, Ra, Omundi Baba, think that Miela means you can dance. Asana say, yeah, I see ba. Asana say also the van. Also respect. Respect to Sumak yawa, Sumak. Nyawa no mama. Milie asiko. Asana bundo. Omondi korawe. Dubai Omondi. We shall meet again more. Omondi Baba. Omondi Balu. Omondi. Yeah. I see we know now. I see it on. You want no mama, yeah. You want no mama, jump boom, Millie. You want no mayo, yeah. Umolungi, hello. You want just want tilapia. Ara. Let me promise you, Nyawano. When I went back to our hometown, from Victoria, I will bring for you Ichamengege tilapia. Yeah, you gonna enjoy ngege. Yeah, Nyawano maru. Taka. Noma Asiko no matter. Winona, thank you so much, Winona. I like you because you like to ask more questions. The song is about. I'm just trying to tell Nyawano. Nyawano asked me about Rech. Rech mean fish from Lake Victoria. Yeah, we have a very nice sweet. How are you? Yeah, we have a good fish from Lake Victoria. So he was asking, Maka, can I get good fish? Ooh, yeah. So, hello, how are you? Long time. So I just trying to tell Nyawano, I'll when I go back, I'll do something for him. Winona is a love song. Yeah. Whee! Why? How are you? Where have you been? Mandel. Universe. Well, no, universe. So, what? Tell me, I'm fine. Long time. I see Katerina. Oh, no, Katerina. Mama. I gonna sing to Katerina. Yeah. Why you up? How are you? Ulolo Katerina. Yeah. My heart you have won. Brighter than the noonday sun. Ha ha. Yeah. Millie. Beautiful Katerina. Ulolo Katerina. Catherine! I love positive news tomorrow. Wow! Thank you so much. My heart you have. I wanna sing for you, Nyatiti. Jimmy, I wanna play for you, Nyatiti. Oh, Nyatiti. Ha! Beautiful Caterina. Yeah! Nice one. I see this beauty. Beautiful lady. Asiko. Asiko, yeah. Hello, Enrico. Have you seen Caterina? Beautiful, yeah. Brighter than the noonday sun. Hello, Caterina. Caterina. Jump on. Goodbye, Caterina. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Winona, thank you so much. I see John. I see Asiko. Yeah, there's a vibe, guys. Wonderful, Catherine. Jesse. This is Makamugenda. Again, cake. Also in the vibe. Yeah, my time, okay. High percentage of I like just to vibing, to share what I have. Asiko, yeah. You know, by the time you are happy, nothing good than happiness. If you are happy, everything is good. So something like music, sometimes, sometimes you can be stressed up. So when you listen to music, you dance, you get something which bring a vibe. Yeah, you have to get something that brings vibe. So that's the main reason why I like vibing with instruments. Your happy soul. I see Maori. Asiko ye. Asiko ye. Muhammad Ali. You wanna Mugibi? Mugibi gonna make me go corner. Can't go by it. Asiko ya. Can you dance? Yeah. Jau Kenya. Ululu mili. Jama mienai. Ndakatobwana. Ndakatono. Hey, kwarongolo ngenda. Tubende chenge watundi. Tukoseni wakachuchuru mama. Chenganiri inga kabinju mo. Mana strike ya Pak? Mana? Masih bit mana? Full mana? Ini musik. Imagine bici gini dong. Usori mati un gas. Adi mesawitku Indonesia bonita kili Kenya Dimbe Indonesia you soy un hombre sincero no crecerá Guantanamera yeah aleninya yo Guantanamera Renbing you soy un hombre sincero Quando de crecerá business mind yeah Guantanamera Guajira Guantanamera San Rafael Guantanamera Allo Doreen Telaiki Ampi yeah Aizimusa wa mwangi tena Guantanamera Allo Abi Viwaldo Nyatiti yenu Guantanamera Del Mari Dulu Baba Dulu yeah Guantanamera Odimo Yaore Baba Yaore yeah Yaore Odimo Baba Guantanamera Guajira Guantanamera Odimo Bonya seje Guantanamera Guajira Guantanamera Baba fine yeah from Entebbe. I see Prince. Yeah. Ha ha. Odin. Ah. Oh. What? Do I know chai bwana ko? Odimo kwach, how is Entebbe bana? Ya buonjo. Omar Sabo. Yes. Hi, how are you? Good morning. What are you? I see it. Leona. Wangatina wero wankum chandaga. Morning Jetty. Kadwa wero yakwengo moro. Yana mogi mwalo. Haha. Walolo Jetty. Yeah. Have you seen Winona? Wamalwa Wanganena Wokidala Jetty Mayo How I Jetty Be really Jolinda Wangon Ongulo Ha ha Jetty Wololo Jetty How are you Jetty I see the brain Shishi You wanna look in my Michael William singing hello Yeah William Buddha Be William Olsen William Buddha Yeah See William Yawa Yeah Are you dancing Shishi Jetty Ulawa Yellow Willy Yeah How are you Willy my brother I jolly Willy Be a Willy Young in the I see hustler Shishi Baba Can you shake Dance Kanungu Mutai Mutai Venebunda Mutai Venebunda Big up You wanna look at a Hello Jantoni I see Jantoni Beautiful yet in the house William, yeah, William, ha. utakulangova ama Elizabeth utakula Innocent Rosengeva yole Virginia alo Virginia ona Virginia Mighty on Sandeva Santo Yawa Willy Willy Hello Willy, I want to sing. I want you to dance Kwangolo 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 Rain Kwangolo yeah Kwangolo Willy Kwangolo yeah Kwangolo sing Kwangolo yawa jet Milio Shiku ya Mama yao Aizi mama yao yeah Rafael Mwende Kwangalo mbia Kwangalo jeti Kwangalo Sisiye Anguka nayo Sorry not say sorry Ha ha Livingstone Olsen Wine Asata Kama bari Yeah Willy gonna Kwangalo Mini Yeah Ungela ele Makamba Aha Olero wada pia Lamori Moshe Karani Yeah Agite You gonna gaze Ido Sami Baba Gali Ha Gonna Yeah Good morning Mike good morning Hey Yeah Good morning Kimucha Shishi Good morning Irene Willie Mary Have you seen Willie Rolling Egg Angelani Hey Angeliti Ferex I see Bonmas Oh Push Mamale Franco Tisho Diana Chrissy and yeah, hold it. McKenna on Sunday vine. Yeah, this jet. I'm very. Oh, when you're little. Hello. Away. Hello. John Oyombra. Mustafa. Averi hala. Sibio double. Yeah! Hello. Danger single ready. Gomez. Gonna single. Single, single. Single. Yeah. Karen. Single, single. Single, single. Ba. Bata. Bata dance. Jakaricha. Ricky dance. Yeah. Mr. Jaga dance. Jetty bamba. Hello. When you're there, I do not go into my. This is our traditional vibe. Yeah, come on, your Mario. Yeah, keep 21 to 13. Daddy Baba. Yeah. William, Willie in the fire, really does, really does, Hakuna Matata, Mano, really does, get to shake, yeah, hello, Gonna Mama, yeah, Mario. Gonna, really, really, yeah, have you seen really, morning, yeah, gonna, thank you so much, Willie. Bonjour, Mse Tito. Mario also in the vibe. Miguel, watching out it. Dilo, Adnasa, Baba P, Jimmy Kent. Jimmy, yo. Nasut. Nasut. General Sundavan. General Anasa. Nasut. Joy. Lolo Babare. Nason Babale. Yeah. Teli mamo. Teli yeah. Dubu. alo. Anna okerala. Anna okerala. Telia. Ili danzo. Can you dance, Jelly? Eliaro. Ah. Nazun babai. Yeah. Mata. Eli. The gang. Visivo. Yeah. Eronyoze. Eronyoze. Nazon. Eronyoze. Elia. Elia. I see Janabi. Noah Karen. Daru Baba. Yeah. Yeah. And you dancing. I see Aisha. Yeah, I see Aisha in the vibe, guys. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. This is Makamugenda. Yeah, it's a morning vibe, guys. I remain with a few minutes and Johnston has bear. Dunia. Hello, Telly baby. How I tell you? I see. Tap up the screen, kill me with a gift. Ah, yeah. Cassandra, Chogonyaya. Samantha Robbie, cute lady. Melia, Melodia. Yeah, Abir, Catherine Mumboa. Yeah. Omoni, yeah, yeah, Jogo nyayala, ay nyayala, pape, yawa nyayala, yeah, I like the vine. Ulolo nyayala, katumba. Oya nyayala, ineno nyayala, vidya, wanda. Ulolo nyayala, charity. Ulolo mamai, ulolo amali, ulolo mamari, mama. Mazita, Deri Achie, go back. Jongo Nyayala, Vincent, Ulolo Mosi, Nikia, Tony, Juguna. Good morning, Tony. Yeah, Mr. Trey, Yonita, Nikuma. Amaris, Maniciado, Yovunoton, Make Smith Mama, Yovunoton, yeah, listen, hello, Bolomano, yo, Smith, how are you? Yeah, Mano, Billy Baba Yomba. Yeah, party. Tap the screen, kill me with the gift if you are. Yeah. You gonna kill me with the gift if you are. So me gonna dance. Everyone gonna dance. Hello. Kevin go dancing. Smith. I sing in a side feeling. Yeah. Also check on YouTube, subscribe. Gonna bamba dress. Gonna bamba. Mosese baba. Nyauge nyamama ihari. Please subscribe on YouTube. It's Makamugenda friendly. Yeah. Jody. Oh no, Jody. Ha ha. Yeah. John Ben. Wanna dance. Cousin Zuni. Yo, Katerina. Katerina. Yeah. Ha ha. Wood blow. Thank you so much. Wood Baba. Abore. Wood in the vibe. We gonna dance. Mumbu in the vibe. Yeah. Wood Baba. Ah. Yo. Katrina Mama Nikki. Hello, it's a happy day. Jalo, ole Udu Baba. It's a happy day. Gonna Zambe, Michael. Amunga. Thank you so much, good blow. Gonna blow. Wool blown, round Baba, round here, Devina. I see Devina. We are with wool blown, brown also in the vine. Loretta. Jacojo Lita, how are you, my brother? They know. Back to the Uru. Alena outside the vine. Lana. Yo. Merit Marine. Yebe. Marine. Can you dance? Yeah, Merit, can you dance? Brown battle. Hey. Yeah, Merit. I told you, can you dance? Can you shake me? Can you dance, Lino? Can you dance? Brown, brown in the vine. Have you seen Marine? Yeah, Marine. Marine, yeah. Yambu. Inspire. Let's inspire me. Yeah. I'm gonna inspire you. Brown. Nutu. Lin. One minute. Yeah. Can you dance now? We gonna Zambe. Maya. Oh Maya, Maya. Yeah. Marit, yeah. Maya, Maya 1, Maya 2, line 3, line 4. I want everyone to shake now. Maya, can you shake? Marit, yeah. Brown, can you shake? Wood brown. Lin, yeah. Seleman, yeah. Lean, go down low. Go down low. Maya, go down low. Joby, go down. Oh, lele. Ah, I wanna go down. I wanna make you go crazy. Yeah. Go down lonely. Go down low. Mary, it's an excellency. Go down lonely. Who dolls on the bar? We gonna zombie. Zasha. We gonna zombie. Ling bang bang. Everyone say ling bang bang. Amerit bang bang. Maya bang bang. Yeah. With the song you make my day. Ha. Merit bang bang. Ah. Marit bang bang. Yeah. Marit bang bang. Marit shake. Marit shake. Marit dance. Marit dance. Marit. Yeah. Sunshine. Marit go down. Hello, Alan. Marit gonna dance. Marit gonna shake. Marit gonna. Yeah. Ah, where is Lynn? Lynn, mwah, mwah, mwah. Ha ha. Alien, Alien, where are you? Lynn, mwah, mwah, mwah. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Alien. Alien jungle, yeah. Alien chungu, alien bamba, yeah. You gonna shello, yeah. Ah 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 ah, ha ha. Yalo, yalo, alien, yeah. I see Lin gonna bab, merit, yeah. Marit gonna boat, gonna ganga. Check what mama gave you. Yeah. Say bang bang. Ah. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Thank you so much. Tap the screen. Kill me with a gift. Chogo nyayala tonare. It's a traditional vibe with Mugenda Maka Mugenda Kebe. Let's continue the vibe. Yeah. Yeah. Wool Brown. What the instrument is called Nyatiti. Adieu. Brown. Jogo nyayala. Yeah. Kocha, I need your service, Kocha. Allah, you gonna don't get bring your daggy. Yeah. Do me. I need somebody. If you are single now, this is the time now to mingle. Hey, we gonna mingle. Yeah, Lynn. I see Mary. Mary. It's gonna burn. Everyone say wululu. Salem Baba wululu. Yeah, Brown Baba wululu. Ha ha. We gonna. I'm fine, my brother. Yo, mama up. Look time. We gonna lean. We gonna. Ha ha. Yeah. Well, are you ready? Are you? Let's go. Thank you so much, my brother. Let's go. We gonna dance. Yeah. crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Just why I want to give you the last song now. Nana. Boso. I want everyone to dance now. Alain. Let's go. Let's go. I want everyone now to shake what mama gave her. I want you to say, Kore, Kore, Kore. You just say Kore, Kore with the beat. Ah, Delia. Ah, Del. Kore, 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 Kore. Yeah. Len mama, Len mama. Dubia. Dubi, 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 dubi. Yeah. Linu, oh, Lin, ah, Linu, can you dance? Yeah, Linu, ah, Lin, are you single? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We gonna take what mama gave. Ah, if you don't have nyat, hello, shake your waist, shake your waist, shake your bamba, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, Janairo, Ralo, leaning, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Ah, holy, oh, Miriam, Miriam, how are you? We gonna, yeah. Mary gonna dance, Mary gonna shake, Mary gonna bang, Mary gonna, yeah. Mary more beauty, Lin mama, Maria more, yeah. Ah, yeah. Lin, yeah, yeah. Mary mama, yeah. We gonna, Lini gonna dance, yeah. I see beautiful lady like Mary and Lane. Mary Tioma, she gonna make me go crazy. Lini, yeah, Maya, ah, Holy gonna, adios. Say yeah, say Clara, say Lynn, ah, Timothy, ah, yeah. We gonna, yeah, do what mama gave you, check what mama gave you, Jogo Nyayala, jump, 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 Mambo VP, say poa, 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 Lin poa, Nyayala poa, Mary poa, Mali poa, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, my work is just to make your day very nice. We share with what we have. Yeah, I'm from Africa. My name is Maka Mugenda, and also a musician. In case you'll be agreed, in case you'll be online, you check on YouTube, subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's called Maka Mugenda. May God bless you so much. That's the end of my vibe lane. Married, I am really happy for you guys, Lane. Yeah, tell you, I know the other side is now night, but right now we are in daytime now here in Africa. So may God bless you. I don't know how to appreciate you guys for your being Chogonyayala, for your being here for me, guys. I don't know how to appreciate you. May God bless you. Check on YouTube, subscribe, watch, and share the link. My name is Maka Mugenda. Maka Mugenda. Lane, are you from which country? Now I want to know you. Lane, which country are you from? Married. Which country are you from? Norway. Hey, Norway is very cold. I have been in Oslo. Do you know Oslo, Norway? Yeah, I performed there in Oslo. I was there. Mbona unaitwanga Mgenda na hiyo jina ni ya Mkisi. Norway. Hey, married also from Norway. Yeah, I'll come next time in Norway. Mugenda is an Ugandan name. Mugenda is an Ugandan name, say to go. To move, yeah. It's a moving name. When you want to say just move, Tugenda. Yeah. I use my grandfather's name is called Mugenda. Yeah, so I'm really happy to see you, Lynn. Merit, I love you, all of you. Lynn, I love you. Chogonyayala, I love you so much, guys, for your being there for me. I don't know how to appreciate your time. May God bless you for your wonderful day. Yeah, I'm happy to see you too. Thank you so much. I'll be there in Norway very soon. I don't know, but I'll be there in Norway, in Oslo. Don't worry. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Have a nice time. Hey, but hey, ajon nyakwano mwelo kamgani. Ajon. Kawuono denda, yani dendo tamre tamando wan ngwech. Achung gokinyi. Achung abet, achung. Doki nindi kom, achung. Kora ka ng'ato moro to in tiwang'o iya. Kaduogo ni to suna moro be chon mar ko kanindi. Oh, someone is watching. I'm really sorry. Oh, ken ng'ama winjo dholuo ng'ani wuoyo.